Are you tired of feeling like your money just disappears every month? Want to finally take control of your finances and set yourself on the path to financial freedom? It all starts with one thing: your budget. Budgeting might sound boring, but trust me, it's the roadmap to your financial success. So, let's dive straight in. How can you master your budget? Step 1. Track your spending. You can't control what you don't know. Keep a detailed record of every dollar you spend for at least a month. Whether it's your morning coffee or that online shopping splurge, write it down. This is your financial X-ray, showing you where the leaks are. Step 2. Set realistic categories. Break your expenses into essential categories: housing, food, utilities, transportation, and yes, even fun. The key? Don't overestimate your income or underestimate your spending. Be honest with yourself. Step 3. Prioritize saving. You've heard it before. Pay yourself first. Set aside a portion of your income for savings. A good rule of thumb is 20%. The money you save today is what will give you freedom tomorrow. Step 4. Automate. Once your budget is in place, automate your savings and bill payments. This way, you don't have to worry about forgetting. Your money is working for you on autopilot. Mastering your budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about freeing yourself from financial stress. Once you control your spending, prioritize saving, and automate your finances, you're on your way to financial freedom. Now it's your turn. Take charge of your money today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on mastering your finances. Remember, financial freedom is just a budget away. Thank you for watching.